Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back, and today we've got a Temu unboxing, and this one's gonna hopefully make Tiger Lily buy it. So the first one, this was in a different pack, but I thought I'd tie it in with my other one. We're not going to show you in a bag because obviously I was so excited to get into him. I was away at the time, and obviously I wanted to have a look, so that's why them ones are not in the bag, but I'm going to include this one with it. So this is, as you can see, I've already looked at it. We've got the standard boat here with a little bit of the squadgy and some bags in there, and it's one that I've seen pop up quite a lot, and it is the cute little dinosaur on the little truck there, giving you sort of that Jurassic Park vibe. As you know, I love dinosaurs very dearly, and in here we've got that lovely colour block all going around the edge, so this is going to fly by, and then the focus point has got all that blast of colour, really gives you that sort of Jurassic Park feeling as they're walking through driving through on the little trucks that they drive. And as you can see, the schematic here is 14 colours, and it's the 20x20. I am finding that I'm buying a hell of a lot more of 20x20s. So could we see the end of 30x40s? I don't know, but I seem to be edging more and more to 20x20s. So that's that one. It did get a little bit bent up in transit, but that's fine. Things happen. And in here, I haven't had a chance to have a look at these yet, but in here we have the drills. So I'm just going to put that over to one side. And we have quite a lovely selection of colours in this one. We have ourselves the green, the purple, a couple of purples there, a sort of mushy army green there, and a grey, and a purple, I'd say like a mauvey sort of colour, and then a lilac and a purple as well. So really, really good indeed. Now the next one, oh sorry, I've missed some off there. Too carried away there. We've got some teal in there, very nice colour there. A bluey grey. We've got a browny butterscotchy sort of colour there. Dark brown there. Although it looks a bit like a lighter brown. We've got a blue, a navy, another lilac there, and a gorgeous vanilla colour there. And the next one is the one that I want to tease Tiger Lily. Now, Tiger Lily, before we go into this, she has two adorable pugs. One was called Harry, but I think Harry passed away. And she has Ruby. And she has just made me want to get a pug picture, so so in here we have Surf Pug, yes. So Tiger Lily, I hope this one is one that you will buy. That's the plan of action, because I like to influence people to buy things. And in here, I saw it, you know, as you're browsing through Temu and things pop up. This one doesn't have, I always find them fascinating how some don't have bags, and it's, you never know if you're going to get bags or drills or anything. So you've got your boat there, and yeah, as you're browsing through Temu, this cropped up, and I thought, OMG, I've so got to show Tiger Lily this, because she's going to love it. It's a pug. And as you can see, it's this dog that is surfing through the waves here, having a good old time on the waves, as you can see up here. It's a 20x20, a very interesting coding system here. U025, I don't get very many U's. They tend to be J to O or something like that, and no, I'm not referring to the drink. 15 colours there on the schematic, very lots of blue and white, very, very gorgeous indeed, and I just had to have it. Really, really beautiful indeed. And lots of sections where you know the blues in some places, and then it sweeps around to the white. I really, really am excited to get into this and see how that turns out. So we've got the 20x20 there. Let's take into here, and in here we have lots of greys by the looks of it. So in here we've got, okay, so we've got a mauve, a grey, a very minty green, I love that colour, a bluey grey. We've got a couple of browns here, dark brown, and then moving into a lighter brown, a sort of marl green there, and what colour do we call that? That's beautiful. I stony grey maybe. Couple of them moving into sort of like the purples going on now, and then that lovely grey colour. I've actually thought about decorating my wall in, because this is like a light blue, but you know that dark, if it crops up I'll try and find it, but you know that dark bluey grey, there's a colour called bluey grey, and I quite like the idea of redecorating that. So we've got a green, yeah, we've done up there, then we've got a bluey grey, so a bit lighter than that, because I don't want it looking too dark. Ah, yes, I found it. So dark grey, a couple of light greys, that sort of colour. I would love to decorate my room in that. You know, give it a lick of paint and spice it up a bit. Because I've always had light blue paint. Ever since a kid, I've always, you know, as I move on, you know, every paint I've had has always been that same African daisy colour, and I really like this, so I might look at B&Q and see if they do that. And then we've got the grey there, so really, really beautiful. So Tiger Lily, I hope that whets your appetite to go and buy that. It's a beautiful painting, and yeah, I'm really, really happy with this. At the time of recording this, I've got another Temu package out for delivery, so I have to go and pick that up at the weekend. So yeah, that's that one. And then we have this cute little sloth. I love it. I've done quite a few sloths. I've got a 30 times 20, 20 times 30, sorry, and then I've got a 30 times 40, and then this come up, and I thought, oh man, that's got to join the collection. I haven't worked on the sloths yet. Oh yeah, very nice clean pack there. Really, really vibrant. Yeah, I haven't worked on the sloths yet, but look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? It's hanging from the tree. B007 there, and the Symmetic is 17 colours. Really beautiful pastel colours going on in here. We've got some light blues, pinks, purples. You've got a mix of all colours, but they are that pastel looking vibe. Really, really beautiful, and I think it's going to look quite nice once this is done. So this is the little baby sloth here. Really, really cute. What really drawed me to this was, one, it was really cheap, 90p, and then the other aspect was it's got these little flowers going down this, like, I think that's probably like a tree branch. As you can see, it's like on a branch of some sort with trees going around it. So yeah, I really, really like that, and I was like, that's coming home with me. I've so got to have that. So let's look into here. And by the way, can I just say that Temu have now bumped, you know, there's a minimum checkout thing. They've now whacked it up to £15 minimum spend. But we all know that if you wait a couple of days, that lock comes off. So I will only order once that lock's removed. I'm not going to keep spending 15 quid all the time. Sorry, but no comprende. But just wanted to point that out for you guys. We've got a creamy beige, and can I just point out as well, all these paintings that I got I didn't have to pay for, because they delayed one of my orders, and at Christmas time they bumped the late fee up to £20, so I literally had a £20 credit free for an order being late, so I didn't have to pay for any of this, so which is really cool. Just want to stress as well that I'm not collaborated or affiliated with them in any way, shape or form. Obviously I got a late fee, and that's the reason why I didn't have to pay. So yeah, so we got that sandy white looking colour, lots of purples. We have a couple of paintings with these purples cropping up, a beautiful lilac there. We've got a green. I wouldn't mind that colour as well, but it looks a little bit on the dark side for wall paint, maybe. A beautiful, beautiful pink there, very vibrant. It's hurting my eyes a bit. A bluey grey, we've got that banana vanilla sort of colour there. Beautiful dark blue there. A light blue as well, another dark blue. They should have really put that with that. You see that? They're both the same sort of colour. And then we've got that peachy orange short colour, very vibrant purple, and again, they could have done that with, there's another, no, that's slightly darker, isn't it? Yeah. And then we've got a dark green and a pink. So yeah, really happy with that. And now for the best one. You always have to save the best till last. I love working on my coasters, and I've got this. Now, this year I'm doing another Harry Potter sort of series 2 that I'm going to be working on, and didn't intentionally look for coasters, but this cropped up and I was like, I'm so having that. And what's nice, if you look, they're crystals. So very, very exciting stuff here. So let's take a look in here, and I'm going to show you what they are. Can I get it out without you guys seeing? But they are crystals, guys, and OMG. I'm super excited. Now, Lazy Retired Granny is going to scream at this. Look at these, guys. We have the houses of Harry Potter. So we've got 4 houses here. So we've got these ones. We've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Although I'm a big Harry Potter fan, I can never get these right. So I'm definitely know that's Slytherin. I don't really pay attention to houses. I think that one's Ravenclaw. There's Hufflepuff somewhere, and I don't recall the line being a house. And then obviously there's the bird. And yeah, I cannot believe I've watched the films for many, many years and I still don't know the houses. Apart from Slytherin. I mean, Slytherin's easy, isn't it? You've got the snake. So I really love these. And it's sort of like the crests. The only disappointing thing I don't like about this is that they don't seem to come with the cork backing. Temu don't seem to do that on many of their coasters, and it's really frustrating because for me, I would want a coaster on the back. However, they do sell cork backing. It tends to be in a round colour, but if I can try and hunt down some cork, for example, these are my ones that my dad got me for my birthday. If I could try and hunt down, like, not a circle, but a big sheet of this cork backing, I could probably make some into that. I mean, that, looking at that, would fit on there perfectly. We'd just have to trim it around the sides here to, obviously, here, cut that out, and, yeah. So, that's the point, actually. If I get some round cork backing, I could actually stick that on there, and then, obviously, just cut it out where it's there. Obviously, the bottom bit may not do it, but at least you've got that full... Yeah, that is a point, actually. I will do that. I will get some cork ordered. Lovely. So let's put that to one side. So yeah, we've got this one here, we've got this one, we've got this one here. I love that badger, really, really beautiful. I think the black and white's going to turn out lovely against that yellow. And then we've also got this one here, absolutely beautiful. So that's going to go to one side. We've also got ourselves, sorry, that's that one. We've also got ourselves this one here, which is really, really good, and very, very exciting stuff here. And look at all these crystals. Oh yeah, man. Crystals are very special because they don't crop up an awful lot in paintings unless you're specifically looking for crystals. But what's really nice is I think we have, if we just look, I'm pretty damn sure that's Aurora Borealis. So yeah, that looks like an Aurora Borealis. As you can see here, we've got these lovely crystals there. Really, really gorgeous. And then we look at the back here. Look at all of these sparkle and shine, guys. Look, we've got oranges and reds. That cherry, beautiful red there. A black drill. The crystals in black don't tend to be crystals for some apparent reason. And then we've got the browny sort of whitey colour. That gorgeous, look at that, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. There's a slight tinge of pink on there as well, really, really good. We've got a green, that beautiful lime blue. Oh man, these are beautiful colours. And look at that cherry red again, and the orange. So yes, I love these coasters. So yeah, this is going to be for these ones. I'm hopefully going to start some today if I can. So yeah, I'm really, really excited for these. So absolutely beautiful, beautiful coasters. And yeah, I really had to have them. They're very thin as well. I don't really like wooden coasters. I much prefer these type, you know, the acrylic. But it is what it is. You know, it is what it is. I think this set was like £5, so really, really happy with the purchase, and I will get some cork backing for the back of them. But they're going to be coming up. I'm looking about sort of April time, but I could bring that forward at any time. We've got quite a lot to get through. So I think last year I did it. Was it September? It was going to be Disney, and I swapped it to Harry Potter. But yeah, I'm probably looking at that April time, Lazy Retired Granny, because I know you said that you want to whip along with me or something. So yeah, so let me know what your favourites are. Is it this gorgeous looking soft? Is it the coasters? Is it this lovely pug that reminds me, looking at this reminds me of Tiger Lily's dogs Ruby and Harry, but I think she said Harry died, so I do apologise if I've got that wrong. And then obviously we have, is there another one though? And then we have this lovely dinosaur. So yeah, I'm very happy with my purchases. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. And if you haven't done so already, hop onto Temu and get yourself some great deals like I have. Can I just thank all my existing subscribers for watching the channel, liking, sharing all them lovely things that you do. It really, really is most appreciated to me as a creator. And I really do thank you all. But yeah, we'll be seeing these very soon. And until next time, have a lovely day. Bye.